Welcome back to Field of Glory 2, Wolves at the Gates DLC, Arab Conquest, Stage 3 of 8, Arabia, 632 AD. The Prophet is dead, and Abu Bakr now commands the faithful as Caliph. Many of the formerly Muslim Arab tribes have refused to accept his leadership and have rebelled. The Caliph has divided our forces into 11 divisions so as to swiftly bring the whole of Arabia back to Islam. Khalid ibn Walid, you are in command of the strongest division and have already defeated several of the apostate tribes. However, the resistance is strengthened as they learn they must combine to survive. You now face a coalition of tribes. The Caliph has sent reinforcements, but battle is imminent and the reinforcements have not yet all arrived. All right, let's see what this will entail. I'm up against Arab Bedouins, and I do want to collect a bunch of Muslim Lancers, and I only have 185 yet, so get some cavalry maybe. Yeah, I'm on 4, okay. Let's see. Get a Lancer. Camels are good against, they disorder cavalry. Yeah, I do want one. Spearmen, I got 2 more. I got 29 left. Still got 23. It's a waste of points here. This is tough. Yeah, let's get a camel and a slinger. And I can add one more general, so... Oh, what kind of terrain is this? This is horrible terrain. Well, let's make use of it. Put one over here. I don't know where the enemy's going to be deploying, but I'm expecting a lot. I do want to keep the cavalry completely in reserve. Let's put a general up here. I want to command the heights. I do want to keep the cavalry. Oh, this is terrible, terrible terrain. Boy, where are we fighting in? I think I'm going to use my cavalry. See, I want to, whatever infantry they have, that's where I want to engage. I'm going to keep my cavalry well in reserve here because I don't know what I'm up against. And I can make a decision. Put some slingers right up there. My cavalry, I'm just going to just watch here. I don't know what I'm up against. A lot, of course. Wow. That's all I can say. Wow. Let's just wait. This is a lot of cavalry. Oh my God. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing here. I have no clue what to do. This is just horrible terrain, outnumbered. There's a lot of cavalry here, but I can... Let's just move over in this direction. Just get a view here. Yeah, let's move up in this direction and just march up towards here in this plateau and engage where there's less enemy. Because there doesn't seem to be many here. And I can get some local superiority if I can just move my forces there quickly enough. I dare them to even try to attack me frontally or anything. I don't think they'll be capable of doing that. Because they're just Bedouins. They're not Byzantine lancers. So I think they're elite, so... Okay, good. I didn't expect them to have a bunch of missile units. Wow. Okay, we're going to keep these occupied. Stay right here. Keep these guys occupied. Now let's get these guys up on this so I can get a view of what the heck's out there. Why not move these? No need for them to get destroyed. Now if I can just destroy these units here and get my cavalry around them, that would be good. Because I don't think they're going to have the enough balls to actually charge my spearmen with their cavalry. And it's still a while before the infantry gets into position, and hopefully I will be able to form something here. I don't know, this is ridiculous. Let's go over here. I did not expect so many missile units. Let's form up here. It's okay that there's a gap here. I'm not that concerned about that. That's good. Finally can use my okay, chase them off. Like I said, I want to get my cavalry behind. No, I got tremendous odds here, yeah. Bring my cavalry. Maybe I can distract some more units here. Oh, this is what I hate, these damn missile units. Oh my. I just don't think they're gutsy enough to attack me. Got a disruption. Hit them again. Okay, the impact is not good here. But I can start moving down in this direction. Yeah, no good impact here. Now, only problem is chasing again, so now if I can destroy this unit, then I can kind of do a little, start engaging the infantry here with the cavalry support, so. I dare you. Yeah, these very light units, they don't do too well. I dare you. Oh no, I'm getting completely surrounded. Problem is, if they charge and then get disrupted or break, then it could be a serious problem. How is my heavy cavalry having such a hard time against such ridiculous, fragmented? Okay, got a break. All right, and 23-5. I'm charging downhill. Yeah. Oh, why didn't I use this slinger first? 3%. But there's a rear flank. What? Oh, come on. How in the world can a flank charge from behind here not be worth anything? 3%. Well, I'm going to attack here. Probably lose some unit. How can I have impact when melee for how these are veteran Muslim spearmen, no different than these, and they're attacking from behind, but they got 0 odds? Oh, that's ridiculous. I guess I'll have to get the camels behind. All right, I guess I'm going to have to... Oh, this is... I don't understand some of this. I should have used the slinger first. Oh, stupid. I do have a rear charge coming. See, this is the problem with the charges, is they can fragment so easily against spearmen. I don't just want to put them there to be destroyed. Okay, got a break here. I can start moving in this direction. These guys will be able to move next. Let's move down here and hit this cavalry. There we go. Yeah, I don't think they charge it. See, if this guy would only retreat once, I would be able to break it and cause a chain rout here. So that's why I was confident I could hold. Let's go over here and be annoying. Camels should really be where the cavalry is at. $58-0. I should be able to break this unit. Maybe I'll have to... All right, let's see. See how this continues. Oh, I disrupted one. Okay, fall back. Good. Oh, the odds are just terrible. What? Why do I have such bad odds against? Oh, they're in rough ground. That's why. Shoot. Well. Let's bring more infantry in this direction so they can pivot. And this, I want this to resolve itself quickly. And just get around them. This is really can be devastating. Get the cavalry behind. And let's keep some distance. And just start picking off over here. I don't know if I'm going to get more reinforcements, but this is pretty bad. Next turn. Auto brake. Oh, this. Okay, let's pivot downward. Oh, this is. I want to get one guy up here. What am I doing? Let's do some slingers. Give me some space here. Oh, nice. Who's that? A general. Yeah, Ibn Wakash. That's good. Hit him right there. Yeah, I'm going to have to sweep around and open ground. Kind of pivot in this direction. Fragmented. Oh, I broke one. Okay, now I'm in position to attack this one and to flank attack. Let's get the camels right behind and just run these guys down. All right, do have this one's going to break, and this infantry here is going to break. All right, just let's see how this continues. Keep on routing. Auto brake. Now this is bad because I have infantry. Now they can charge me in the rear. This is not good. But it's only very light cavalry, but they can still do damage. I did not want the infantry to engage there. But oh yes, more reinforcements. Saracens forever. Oh, let's keep on. This is going to be painful. Horrible odds. Damn it. Fall back. Let's attack them over here. Fall back. All right, let's give it a shot. But now can I do a little rear charge? That should do some damage. Yeah. Oh, bad. That's bad. And this one can crawl through here. Disrupted. There we go. I broke that one again. Good. That was a sub-general. And this is the CNC. Alright, this is the only problem here. I could have this unit rout if he attacks me from the rear. Oh, but I get a bad die roll here, of course. This is the only chance the AI has to actually do some damage, possibly. And that's got to happen, sure. Even though I had tremendous odds in that combat, I still got to lose my units. I'll stop chasing. Yeah, this is just a light cavalry. Good, I'm glad they're attacking up in this direction. This unit can break. I gotta break them. Let's hit this one again. Let's bring up the spearmen. Break. Let's bring this unit up here. Let's bring these up. All right, Tabinil Ibn Walid is coming over here. And now we can just hit these guys from behind. 20%. This is it's going to be a close battle. Unfortunately, I have a unit here that's been hurt. Problem is, if I engage, I can get rear charge, so not yet. Oh, god damn it, I lost a unit. This sucks. I mean, they got lucky with their attacks. Of course he gets disrupted. I mean, he's getting attacked by a battered unit here and he gets disrupted. Isn't that something? Oh, god damn it. Oh, come on! These are elite Muslim warriors and they're getting beat by this crap here. Let's hit this guy with the sling. God, he shouldn't even be alive. Come up on him. Alright, and this is the place the work's got to be done. Camelry. Yeah, now I'm breaking because, I mean, I have elite Muslim warriors. Oh, come on, I had good odds too, attacking downhill, and they got to give me a shitty die roll. God damn it, this is just getting pathetic. I don't care, let's attack. Fuck this. They're gonna screw you over regardless, you know, if this AI is gonna fuck you over regardless. Let's charge. I'm gonna take care of this unit here. I mean, I can't believe this. I mean, I had a good charge here. This is 5%. The odds were good. Next. Yeah. And the thing is, I'm not going to have enough troops for the next battle against Persians or Romans. This is really what's hurting me. I do have a rally. This one needed to rally. Move this away. Yeah, I can come up on the flank of this guy. Oh, they're giving some good shot over here. And now I'd love to just break him. Let's attack down here. I want to hit him. That's the one I wanted to attack. He's fragmented. Good. Odds are not bad, but never means anything. And now there's a... I can hit this one on the flank next. But at least my spearmen are coming through here. Yeah, I can't believe... whatever. This game's fun, but very aggravating. God, this guy's... Well, what did I hear? Something? Yeah, he auto-broke. Okay, break here. Ooh. Keep on nailing this one. I'm just chopping this guy up. Let's come over here. Excellent odds. Just want to get to 40% really quickly. Auto break. Disrupted. Impact win. Got the reinforcements, they're good. Boy, I'm getting close here. The victory is close. Hit them with some arrows. Throw some slings. Well, I just got to wreck one more unit and I'm done. All right. Oh. Charge. My God, how many? I mean, was a large army. Oh, broke. I think I won. Oh my God, this was a tough one. Oh, this was. I mean, I was completely outnumbered, but at least I got only 15%. I hope it didn't hurt me. I don't think I lost. Yeah, I didn't lose any cavalry units because that's really what I need. I may have lost the spear unit, but oh my gosh. Yeah, the enemy had more units, more numbers, but this is ridiculous battle. My gosh, that was just completely. I mean, it took me. It's just the numbers were just. But I got the reinforcements later, but they still outnumbered me even with the reinforcements. But this was crazy. All right, let's see what's next. Okay, so I won 3 battles. And I want to check, see what army I have left. I do have 3 lancers left. Okay, this is important. I have my cavalry. I have my cavalry intact. Okay, I do have my spearmen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I do have spearmen and okay, so I do have some units. And I do have 3 lancers, and maybe I can get a 4th one for the upcoming battle. See, that's important. You don't want to lose some key units. That's like I valued my cavalry the most, so I could not afford to lose any because that would be 1 less. So this is good. So let's see what the next battle is going to bring. And until next time, thank you for watching.